In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Klarna refunds work 5 minutes. If you've returned an item and used Klarna to pay, there's a simple flow that keeps you from being charged while your package makes its way back to the store. Start by opening the Klarna app or visiting the Klarna website and signing in. From the home screen, head to the payments section. This is where all your orders and schedules live, and it's the quickest way to manage anything related to what you owe. Inside payments, look for refunds and returns. Open that area to see your recent orders. Find the order you're sending back, then select Report Return. This step tells Klarna that you've shipped something back to the merchant. If you have a tracking number, add it here when prompted. It's not about creating more work, it's simply the best way to show proof of shipment and keep everything moving smoothly. Once you report the return, Klarna pauses your payment plan for that order. That means upcoming due dates related to the returned items are put on hold so you're not charged while the parcel is in transit. You'll still see the order in your account, but the clock effectively stops until the store confirms what they received. If you already made a payment before reporting, don't worry. Klarna will reconcile it once the return is processed. Next, the store receives your package and registers the return in their system. They then notify Klarna of the outcome, whether it's a full return, a partial return, or a rejected return. Timelines vary by merchant and shipping method, so keep your receipt and tracking handy and watch for updates in the app. If tracking shows delivered but nothing changes after a reasonable period, reach out to the store first since they're the ones who confirm the return. Finally, you'll get an email from Klarna with your updated balance or a refund confirmation. If it's a full return, your remaining installments are canceled and any eligible payments you already made are refunded to your original payment method. For partial returns, Klarna recalculates the plan so you only pay for what you kept and any overpayment is refunded. Processing times depend on your bank, but Klarna will show the status in your order timeline. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always check the store's return policy, since shipping fees or restocking charges can affect your refund. Keep notifications on in the Klarna app so you don't miss updates. And remember, reporting the return promptly is the key to pausing payments. That's it. You now know how Klarna refunds work from start to finish.